Welcome to International Surgery, the official journal of the International College of Surgeons. This tutorial is how to submit a manuscript. The website address for the journal is www.internationalsurgery.org. When preparing your manuscript for International Surgery, please refer to the For Authors section of the website. And log in using your username and password. Once at the author main menu, you will have access to 3 author-specific manuscript sections: New Submissions, Revisions and Completed. From New Submissions area, you can submit new manuscript, review any submissions sent back to the author by the editorial office requiring changes, continue or review any incomplete submissions, view any submissions waiting for author approval of the converted submission PDF, check the status of submissions being processed on the author's behalf. To submit a manuscript, authors must log into the system and click the Submit New Manuscript link. Select Manuscript from the pull-down menu and click on the Next button. There is only one article type to choose from at present. Authors can either click the Next button below the drop-down menu or click the Enter Title button on the left side of the screen. Limit the title to 30 words. The title is the first impression of an article. It's the most valuable element for search engines to determine the relevancy of an article on a search query. Therefore, it is important to use the right keywords in the title to provide a good description of the content of an article. Guidelines for a good title: use the selected words in the title. Preferably start the title with those words, as words earlier in the title will get more value. Make the title descriptive. Only the first 65 characters, including spaces, will be shown in Google. So use the most important words within the first 65 characters. Once authors have entered an article type and title, the submission screen changes slightly, and the list of buttons down the left-hand side of the form encompasses all parts of the online submission. Authors can use these buttons to navigate from one portion of the form to another in any order they choose, though they must end with attached files. Also, the buttons on the left-hand side of the screen may have blue check marks to the left, indicating a field has already been completed, and/or a blue arrow indicating in which section the author is currently. To continue adding further authors, click on the Add Author button and enter first name, middle initial and last name, in addition to the author's highest degree, name a department and institution to which the work should be attributed, and email address. A box is available to be checked if the author should be listed as the corresponding author. All authors added will now be listed at the bottom of the page. If you need to change the order of the authors, modify the number in the box according to the preferred order and click on Update Author Order. Authors need to add an abstract during the submission process and may type or paste the abstract into the field. Please provide and identify 3 to 10 keywords or short phrases that may be published with the abstract. These terms will also assist indexers in cross-indexing your article. Use terms from MESH, that's Medical Subject Headings, the US National Library of Medicine Index. Click on Select Classifications and the following window opens up. Please identify your manuscript's areas of interest and specialisation. Click Submit at the bottom of the page to save your selections. Have the results, data, figures in this manuscript been published, or are they under consideration for publication elsewhere? If not, please enter No. If so, please identify results, data, figures taken from other published or pending manuscripts in the text box below and explain why this does not constitute dual publication. Please let us know if you have any special requests, such as open access, rapid review, or rapid publishing for your article. Please refer to the author instructions on the International Surgery website for more details. Enter any comments you would like to send to the editorial office. These comments do not appear in your manuscript. Please suggest potential reviewers for this submission. Use the fields to give us the contact information for each suggested reviewer and provide specific reasons for your suggestions in the comments box for each person. The Editor-in-Chief may not use your suggestions, though your help is appreciated and may speed up the selection of appropriate reviewers. Please select the region of origin related to your manuscript from the drop-down menu. If you wish to exit the system and return at a later time to resume the submission, just click on Logout from the top menu bar. To complete your submission, which involves attaching your manuscript and accompanying files and submitting these to the editorial office, please review the tutorial Completing a Manuscript Submission.